a to the 8 plus a squared all over a to the 4 plus a squared equal to 2023. We want to find a as well. Okay. First step, we cross multiply, or we can say we multiply both sides by a to the 4 plus a squared. Left side will be a to the 8 plus a squared. Right side will be 2023 times a to the 4 plus a squared. Okay. Now, in next step, okay. Now, in next step, we divide both sides by a squared, and a is not zero, because if a is zero, the denominator will be zero. So a is not zero. We can divide both sides by a squared, and let me tell you an important rule in basic thing. In power rule, x to the m over x to the n is x to the m minus n. So here to the 8 over a squared is a to the 6 plus 1 equal to 2023 times a squared plus 1. Okay, now I want to consider a squared as b. Okay, and I know by power rule that x to the m to the n equal x to the mn. I can say a to the 6 is a squared cubed plus 1 equal to 2023 b plus 1. So we can conclude what? We can conclude if we consider a squared b cubed plus 1 equal to 2023 times b plus 1. Okay, here because the degree is 3, we should try to find at least one answer. Then we can use quadratic formula. Pause the video and try to find at least one b. Okay, check b0. B0, this side will be 1, this side 2023, no. If you check b1, this side will be so much larger. If you check b negative 1, this one and this one will be 0. Okay, so b equal to negative 1 is one answer. When we use this, we take all things to left hand side, b cubed minus 2023b. Here we have 2023. If you take it to left hand side, negative 2023 plus 1, negative 2020 equal to 2. Now we take, we know b minus 1 is 1 root, so we can factorize, and one factor is b plus 1. Then you say b squared plus b cubed plus b squared. Then we don't have b squared, so we place negative b. Then we have negative b squared, negative b. We want to reach this, negative 2022 is 0. Okay. So this part is 0 or this part is 0. Let's check both of them. This part is 0. We've checked b negative 1. If this part is 0, now I want to use quadratic formula. Okay. If I want to use quadratic formula, if I have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you can say the answers are x equal negative e plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so b equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 2022 all over 2. 1 plus minus 89 all over 2. Okay, so we found three answers for B, but A is real number. Okay, if you want to know in complex numbers how we can solve, send message to my WhatsApp number. If A is real, so this part is B is A squared at least 0, so this one is not good. 1, so our only answer will be, let me erase this part, will be B, which is A squared equal to 1 plus root 89, because 1 minus root 89 is negative. So a equal to plus minus square root of 1 plus square root of 89 all over 2. Okay, so it is we found two answers for A. If you had question, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks, bye.